Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your PSN account on the Ps5 and confirming your account region and wallet currency. Once signed in, make sure you have the physical or digital gift card code visible. This is the first actionable step. You need the code exactly as printed or emailed, so pause and confirm characters. While you're here, check your payment settings and parental controls so the next steps go smoothly and don't get blocked mid-redeem. Now you redeem the code. Open the PlayStation Store, scroll down to Redeem Codes and select it. Then type the 12 or 16 character code exactly. Accuracy matters because a single typo will fail the redeem. Once entered, press Confirm and wait. The system verifies the code and applies funds to your wallet. If you're buying immediately, proceed to checkout where the wallet will appear as a payment option. Otherwise, the balance stays in your account. Finish by choosing Wallet Funds at checkout, confirm the purchase, and begin download or reservation. Once done, verify the transaction in your transaction history under Payments to ensure the correct amount deducted. If the code fails, make sure the region and expiration are correct and re-enter slowly. Sometimes hyphens or similar characters cause errors. If it still won't apply, take a clear screenshot of the code and contact PlayStation support. They can trace redemptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.